Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. I'm going to a temple in Puri called Lokanath Temple, but I'm standing near to Jagannath Temple. It's right here. So, we can't take cameras to inside of Jagannath Temple. So I went as near as possible, and these were buildings once upon a time, like a year ago, but they have been demolished, and you can see the sample of the demolition. It looks like Syria, Azerbaijan, and all those. And I'm standing very near to Jagannath Temple. It's just probably 50 meters away from me. I mean, it's so near. I just wish I could go there, but we don't have enough time because today we have to go to Cuttack, to my grandmom's house, and I'll meet you in Lokanath Temple. Until then, just enjoy the Jagannath Temple, and one like for Jagannath Temple as well. Is there, yeah. So I'll meet you in Lokanath Temple. So guys, I'm now in the oldest Shiva temple in Odisha by the name Lokanath Temple, and I just know very little about this temple, and my dad knows much about this temple. Papa, can you say something about the temple to my viewers?
Okay, all right. So this is. Let me give the view of it. How do I take the rear camera?
Oh, yeah. So it's like this.
Okay, this is. So this is, as Manmeet said, this is one of the oldest Shiva temple here in Odisha by the name Lokanath Temple. And if you go by what people say out here, this is the temple which is auto-created, meaning nobody has ever came to build this temple. This has been created by the God himself. The linga inside the temple, the Shiva linga inside the temple is also called Swayambhu. Swayambhu means the linga which has been created by itself instead of somebody coming and creating it. That's how the people say about this temple, and you can just have a view of it. This is absolutely very natural, and here are the monkeys who are trying to snatch the bananas and everything that is the visitors are carrying, the devotees are carrying. So you will find quite a lot of natural things out here. You see the monkeys out there, then the vendors are there who are selling the stuffs that is needed for the puja. And here is a beautiful pond. This pond is also very famous because the devotees are expected to take a bath inside this pond and get into the temple. And another very interesting thing about this pond is that you can see a woman out there who is selling the biscuits and everything. You can buy the biscuit and throw it to the pond. There you will see quite a lot of fish comes and takes those things that are thrown by you. So I'll go near to the pond, and I'll probably try to give you a glimpse of throwing biscuits to the pond and the fishes coming and eating them.
So that's it, guys. I mean, there are cows, monkeys. It's slippery, and I don't think so I can vlog. And if you show the camera to monkeys, I've heard if you show the camera to monkeys will take it. So I'm scared. And I hope you like the fishes. There were like 1,000 fishes eating the food.
I would say millions of fishes are there.
Millions?
Millions, yes.
Millions and millions in this pond.
It probably would be more than millions, but definitely not thousands.
Oh my god, my dad says millions. Probably it can be millions. So I'll meet you somewhere outside. Hey guys, guess where am I? Day 3 at the beach. I'm at the beach again. I mean, the third time in the vlog I'm coming at the beach. Yo. This time, I mean, all the 3 times I went. The first day when I went, it was crowded. The second day, which was day before yesterday, it was semi-crowded, and today it's not at all crowded. I mean, a bit. Today is the least crowded I've ever seen in Puri Beach, and it's so good. And today my dad also came to the beach. And I hope you like the introduction about Lokanath temple by my dad. I mean, shooting was not allowed, but there were a lot of monkeys and what do you call cows. We People say that, oh my god, I wore full pants and I made it into shorts like this. I mean, like this. And probably the ocean is not happy on us. I mean, because the waves are huge and it looks like this. Today the beach vlog is going to be very less because we're just in the beach for 10 minutes or probably 5 minutes also. So today we're going to Cuttack, as you know, and yeah. So after Cuttack, and tomorrow there's a party at our place in Cuttack. It's a biryani party. So I'm excited to eat and show you. Oh my god. Okay, so guys, I will end the beach vlog now, and I'll probably meet you either in Cuttack or while going. So yeah, bye.